Siguro po, very familiar na kayo po kaya mag-post online about kita foul odor po kita pong creek near Sogo Hotel in front of SM Pampanga. Dakal po magreklamo ka rin kaya katamo pong kabalin. Kuno ka rin po kano babawang imbornal niya. Upon checking po rin kaya katamo pong Menro together with the PGNRO and also the certain different departments na po ni Kirakata Municipality, ikit na po talaga na makapaling sludge. Actually, may kapag sifon na lang pong 6 trucks yung Kiyakatamong munisipyo, may kapangabit na rin pong enzymes, pero po talaga mababawas. Upon checking po, kailangan po kano at least na po is 50 trucks of sifon, bata po talagang totally milako. So ngayon po yung Sangguniang Bayan of Mexico, may pasaya pong resolution asking the help of the provincial government of Pampanga and also in coordination with the city government of San Fernando na sana po pisopan tamo po yung problema ngayon and also to determine the root cause kung ano po manibat itang bawang ito. Dakal pong contributing factors. Of course, the establishments nearby and also data pong stores na malapit na mag-direct discharge at taba, sabo, na kuno ka rin po mamuune niya po may kaka-blockage at saka may kaka-sludge siya po itang area. Actually, may yari na po yung proposed resolution, dinantala pong kopya ng San Fernando, ang po yung capital. Sana po please work hand in hand, manya po sa balen na po ng Mexico na masolusyonan po yun.